DStv Explora remote unresponsiveness is a common issue affecting many subscribers. However, MultiChoice reports that standardized troubleshooting methods can resolve approximately 85% of these cases. The first solution is remote synchronization. The standard sync method involves pressing and holding the DStv and ARC buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the LED light flashes twice. Then, point the remote at the decoder and press the power button to complete the synchronization process. For better results, try the advanced sync method through the decoder menu. Navigate to Settings, then Remote Control, then Pair Remote. This method has a 15% higher success rate than manual syncing. If synchronization doesn't work, try a system reboot. The soft reboot method has a 60% success rate. Simply unplug the decoder from power and wait 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power and allow 2 to 3 minutes for the system to fully start up before testing the remote. For persistent issues, a hard reset may be necessary. Hold the power button on the decoder for 10 seconds while unplugged, then reconnect. Warning, this will erase all recordings and settings, so use this as a last resort. These troubleshooting methods have proven success rates. Synchronization resolves 70% of issues, system reboots resolve 60%, and combining these methods achieves the overall 85% success rate reported by MultiChoice. When synchronization and rebooting don't resolve your DStv Explora remote issues, the problem likely lies with the infrared sensor system. This requires a more targeted approach to diagnosis and repair. First, ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the decoder. Remove any objects, furniture, or decorations that might block the infrared signal path. Next, clean both the infrared sensor on your decoder and the transmitter on your remote. Use compressed air to clear dust from the decoder's sensor and clean the remote's transmitter with an alcohol wipe. To test your remote's infrared signal, use your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press buttons while viewing the screen. You should see a purple or white light from the remote's transmitter if it's working properly. Check the signal strength across all buttons on your remote. If the infrared signal is weak, inconsistent, or completely absent, it's time to replace your remote control. MultiChoice is transitioning to more advanced remote technologies. Newer models like the DStv Stream and upcoming Explora 5 feature Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, offering improved reliability and additional features like voice control. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, professional assistance may be required. This is especially true if there's physical damage to your decoder's infrared sensor, or if issues began after lightning strikes or power surges in your area.